Hi everyone, Izumi here. Today I'm going to show you how to add your pets on Bereev. So first, go to categories and look for pet. Let's go there. Alright, now click on add pet. Okay, so the reason why we want to add our pets on Bereev is because things like this are a bit awkward to include in legal documents like a will. But you still want to make sure that your pets will be taken care of. So let's go ahead and add their details here so that your family will know everything about them and they will know how to care for them when you're gone. So let's go ahead and add the name for our pet here. Let's call our pet here Bob. Next, the species. So let's just say Bob is a Labrador. And you can add his date of birth. That's an optional information. So let's say 2017. Next thing is you can actually include the vet information. That means doctor that you always send your pet to. So let's just say Dr. Archer. You can even choose to add Dr. Archer's phone number or email address, whatever that's relevant. And finally, you can even add like guardian information. So this is who you want to assign to take care of your pet. So you can add either a primary guardian or a secondary guardian or both, just in case the first person cannot take care of your pet. If you have settled this offline, you can choose to skip it. So at the bottom here, you can add any other details regarding your pet. So let's just say they have allergies or anything that you want your family to know. So just put them here. Once you're done, check all the information and click on Next. Now this is the part where you can attach any relevant or important information about your pet. So let's just say they have a birth certificate or chip or anything that you want them to know, just add them here. So here I have my pet's birth certificate. Let me add it in. And once I'm done, I just click on Add. Alright, that's it. So Bob the Labrador has been added to my list of pets. If you have more pets, go ahead and add them right here at the bottom. If you want to edit the previous entries, just click on it and there's an edit button on the top right corner. Or if you want to remove this particular pet, just go ahead and click on remove down here. And if you need to download any of the attachments you had uploaded previously, just go ahead and click on the file right here. So that's it guys, it's super easy to add your pets on Bereev and to make sure that they will be taken care of when you're no longer around. That's it from me today. I'll be back again soon with another easy tutorial on how to use Bereev.